Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video overlay on your video content, specifically when editing your videos on CapCut. So this video is a continuation of the previous content we've actually released on how to edit your videos professionally on CapCut using your mobile device. So do well to watch the first videos before coming back to this one. Don't forget to like this video and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. So let's jump right straight into this video. So this is one way you could set up an overlay, a video overlay. So in this one, click on the overlay, then we'll click on the plus button, then we're going to select the video. So we scroll. Okay, so let's choose this one. Then we'll click on add. Okay. So this is green screen. We're going to remove it. So while it's being activated, so we select remove BG, then we'll select Chroma key, then you move this circle a bit. So after you've moved it a bit, you notice that it has absorbed the green color, or the green background rather. So we're going to increase the intensity to maybe 46 or 50. So that's all. Then we'll click on good. Okay, so that's it. We've overlaid this video. So this should automatically switch us into the new page we've created. So congratulations, this is how to create your Facebook page. Okay. So you could also decide to move this just in case. You could move this, and we could also do some, also bring it here. You can also bring it here. Okay, so let's play it and see what it looks like. Okay, so click on next again. Click on done. So this should automatically switch us into the new page we've created. So congratulations, this is how to create your Facebook page. All right, so that's all. So this is how you can overlay a video content. This is also going to be another bonus. So let's say, for example, you download a stock video. Okay, not just a stock image. So let's say we could search on Google free stock videos, because this is actually the videos you could use to do overlays. So we're going to scroll down and select Pixabay. So let's imagine that we are looking for grow your business. Then we search. So look for one video that falls in line with that. Okay, we could use this one. So let's play it. Okay, so we're gonna save this one. Click on download. Then we'll just hit the download button. Okay, so you can see the video has been uploaded. So we'll save it to our files. Then we open. So open in downloads. So let's click on the video so you can see the video. So next we're going to save this. Okay, so we're going to save this video. So we'll come back to CapCut, then we'll click on add overlay. Next we'll select the video, then we'll click on add. So you could actually make this to fill up the screen. Then you play. So this is how to do overlay videos. Alright, so this is just a random instance that we're giving to you. But the most important thing is that you just need to learn how to play around these tools. Take your time and explore other features. I believe we've given you quite a lot of instances and a lot of basic tools you can use to perfect your video editing. Okay, so once you're done, you can export your video. Click on the export button.